5 indications that your relationship is really working well. If even one or two of these 5 things are happening with you, consider yourself really fortunate and do your best to nurture this relationship because it's truly special. Before I talk to you about the subject matter of this video, I really urge you to subscribe to our channel BND TV so you never miss a video that we upload over here. And don't forget to boop that bell button so that you get a notification and you know we have uploaded the video. 5 indications that your relationship is really working well. Number 1 is that you feel natural and at ease. You feel safe and secure, like wearing an old shirt that you like so much. At the same time, there is a bit of a zing, there is a bit of naughtiness and a little bit of mischief that keeps the spark alive. It's not just an old shoe, there is a bit of champagne involved. Number 2 is that there is those little touches of physical intimacy. Holding hands, a quick hug, a stolen kiss. These indicate that that spark of love is really right there, and it's not just a spark, it's quite a fire. Number 3 is doing those little things, those little gestures that are totally not required but yet add so much. Finding a note in a book that you are reading saying, I love you. A thoughtfully prepared meal, but not just the meal, a vase with a little flower in there. Those little touches which are absolutely unnecessary, yet they add so much to the relationship. Love, according to me, means doing completely unnecessary things. That's where the love is. Number 4 is that you may not share each other's life goals. One might want to do something for humanity, dedicate their lives to service, to seva. And another might want to build a huge bank balance and buy a villa in Dubai. If you can reconcile with this and contribute to each other's life goals, respect each other's life goals, you're onto something really good. And finally, at number 5, there is a strong intuition in you that says, I don't want anybody else, I don't need anything else. I am just feeling so blessed and lucky that I have this person in my life. So when you have these 5 things going for you in your relationship, thank your lucky stars, consider yourself truly fortunate, and do all you can to nurture it. A happy Valentine's Day. May you continue to love each other and grow. I'll see you in the next one.